Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1992 Cadillac Allante. This car is loaded. Comes with a hardtop, digital dash, wood grain. A lot of options I've never even seen before. 35,000 original miles, only 2 owners, and literally the nicest one I've ever seen. Finished in white with a burgundy interior. It's also pretty rare. Chrome wheels, tires are in great shape, top's perfect. Again, 35,000 miles on this car. Runs and drives perfect, no issues. You're looking at a 92, I know why. Interior, beautiful on this. Digital dash. It also has the optional wood grain. Pininfarina body, just fantastic. $35,416 miles. The air's blowing nice and cold right now too. Definitely be hard to find another nice one. Got a 4.5 liter V8 in it. If you notice, it doesn't say North Star anywhere on this car because they were discontinued in 1992. Plenty of power, runs and drives great. This car originally came from Arizona, that's why you don't see any rust anywhere.
Soft top is in great shape.
Soft top's perfect, right? What color is the soft top again? Black. Black. Glass window. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. This one's not going to stick around too long. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.